Hey guys, got a Mercedes Benz E63s here with a matte paint finish straight from the factory. It also has a clear protective film on the top surface of basically the entire car. So small dent, but a little bit tricky just because of, matte finish is a little bit harder to work on. And then also I had to do a lot of disassembling to gain access to the back side of the metal in order to fix this dent. So had to remove the interior trim panel there, basically 2 bolts and then a couple pressure clips, pops right off. Disconnect the handle mechanism, a couple wires, and we're good to go. Next step is taking out the glass. So you see here there's 2 bolts, Torx basically loosen those up, and then the glass slides right out of the top of the window. After that, I actually took off the mirror, the belt molding. So a lot of stuff to get to the back side of the dent. But after everything was taken apart, the top edge of the door had multiple open slots that I could work my tools through and get to the back side of the metal. Right there, you see that? So basically perfect access once it's taken apart. And then I used a couple hand tools. This is a CarePoint tool, adjustable handle, and basically just slowly, methodically pushed that dent out and sculpted it back good as new. So no body work, no paint, which is critical on this car because anybody that's ever dealt with a matte finish, it's very hard for a body shop to replicate that and get it right. So there's the end product. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.